Uh-huh. You were born in Palestina.
Yeah, and I lived there for 13 years.
Uh-huh. And when did you begin to play tennis?
When I was, I guess, 8 years old.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
There are playing grounds in Palestine?
Yeah, well, not on the Palestinian side, just on the Israeli side, so I always had to go to the Israeli side to play tennis.
How do you think is your level playing tennis?
I play good for Israel,
Mm-hmm.
but for here I'm just normal, not special, but play good. Yeah.
Difficult to play tennis in Palestine.
Yeah, because we have no tennis courts, and they did one tennis court in a gym, but it's not good at all, and there are no coaches, and the ground is like a playground. You can play only football, everything, but not tennis. And because I always have to go so far away, I always have a long way to reach the tennis courts.
In which part of Palestine you were born?
Jerusalem. It's the Jerusalem part,
Yeah.
in Samiramis, Atarot.
And then you left Palestine, you left Jerusalem to Switzerland.
Yeah, I lived when I was 13.
Mm-hmm.
I left, yeah.
There are some more girls playing tennis in Palestine, or
Palestinian girls?
Uh-huh.
No. Well, my friend, they just started for fun, but then they had to stop because their parents were afraid when all of the Intifada, the second Intifada started. But all of them are Israelis, Russian, that just come from Russia, or American.
Mm-hmm. And now you have come to Spain.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I always wanted to go to an academy, and it was one of my wishes, and because I wanted to know how it is to play the whole day, and to have less school, and to work harder. Yeah.
You can combine your studies and your playing tennis?
It's difficult because we play the whole day. At school we're so tired, we just want to sleep, or when we copy from the wall, we don't really read what we're copying because we're so tired, we don't recognize anything. And then when we finish school at 9:15 or 8:30, we go up to the room, just stay on the laptop, and when we have exams, we don't play tennis the whole day.
Mm-hmm. Do you think that you can come back to Palestine to play, or you don't think on that?
I can play by the Israeli people, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But there are no courts, how can I play?
You have accepted that, and you think you can change that, or you have to play and it's impossible to change?
It's impossible to change it, or it is, well, I could change it, but not only me. I need so many people people that will build a court. So many people would like to play tennis. They tell me also, but because there are no courts and their parents are afraid, because training is most of the times from 6 to 8 or something like that after school, and their parents are so afraid they must be at home by 9.
Mm-hmm. Do you keep in touch with your friends in Palestine through internet or through?
Yeah, we always chat every day.
Mm-hmm. And when do they say they want to come here too?
They're you're so lucky, you get to be there, and they always say I'm lucky.
Mm-hmm. Your fathers, do they want you to play tennis your whole life, or what do they say of choice?
My father.
They play tennis. Yes.
No, my mom, she used to play for fun with us, but then when she got my younger sisters, then she didn't play anymore, and because she had to work so much. But if I can't imagine just stopping tennis like that. Later I want to be a coach, so tennis will be always a part of my life.
How much family are you? How many
people in my family? We're 4 girls, mom and dad.
Uh-huh.
So 6.
6. And all the people is here?
No, one, my older sister, she's now 20. She lives in Philadelphia. Mm-hmm. She goes to Pennsylvania University. And the other 2 sisters, one is 11 and one is 8 or 9. They go in Palestine to school.
Mm-hmm. And what about the problem of Palestine? What do you think about that? What is your idea?
I find it bad because like both sides must suffer, and like kids must also suffer. Like my sister, when they have to go to school, they must wake up so early in the morning at 6 to reach. They leave home at 6 o'clock to reach school at around 8. And if there is no checkpoint, they need only 20 minutes to reach school.
Mm-hmm. Your parents lived in Palestine, or where do they live?
Yeah, in Jerusalem.
In Jerusalem.
Yeah.
So it's you are 16 and you are far from home, no?
Yeah, I left home already with 13.
13.
Yeah, because I went to Switzerland. I was there also alone.
Mm-hmm.
I lived by my uncle and then aunt.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, and then back to Palestine just for like summer holidays, and then I came here.
Mm-hmm. So you are used to live free, no?
Yeah, but it would be nice if I could live like in a family again.
Mm-hmm. But
yeah.
it will be difficult, no?
Why?
Because that means you have to come back to Palestine, no?
Yeah.
No, and this is not in your plans.
No.
And you are optimistic about the future of Palestine, or you cannot?
Like you mean if I think there's going to be ever peace?
Mm.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
I do think so.
Why? It's not easy to think that way.
Maybe like not today, not tomorrow, not in 20 years, but I don't know. I think there will be peace.
Mm. You have Israeli friends, I guess.
Yeah.
Mm. And what do they say?
They're like when we're together, we don't talk about political stuff. Just talk about like friends, tennis, school, and like sometimes they ask me how was if the way was so difficult to come to training today, and if yeah, then I tell them what happened on the checkpoint, and they say I find it so bad, and like they also see like what I must go through to reach just training for 2 hours. Sometimes I have to like go. I need 2 hours on the way to play 2 hours tennis and 2 hours back. So I'm like 4 hours on the way and just for 2 hours playing. I'm on the way more than I play.
Mm-hmm.
And they find it really bad.
Yeah. And which are your goals in your tennis career?
I want to be a coach.
You want to be a coach?
Yeah.
But you don't want to win Roland Garros or something like that? It's not very complicated, that?
It's like, if I want, but it's like a dream, it's a wish.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like far away. Which I think, like I'm 16, I'm too old for that.
Too old?
Too old, like I need to play more tournaments. I didn't play tournaments now since 2 years.
Mm-hmm.
And when I play, like, because now I didn't play since so long, I like lose self-confidence on the court. So yeah, it takes lots of time. Possible is everything, but hard work.
You'll keep playing here, or what is your future?
I still don't know. Maybe like I'll stay here 1 year more, or I don't know.
Mm-hmm. And what would you like? What would you like?
I like to stay 1 year more here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But like I like to stay here 1 year more because of like tennis and like the school. On the other side, I like to go to Palestine never. Like holidays, of course.
Mm-hmm.
But I also like to go to Switzerland for other reasons. It's like, yeah.
You are not decided?
No. But I like it here a lot. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and the coaches are also good.
I don't know how it's the points in tennis. The degrees.
The rankings?
Yes, how does it function?
Here, I don't know, like in Switzerland they had R5, R6 and N. In Palestine there were I guess 120 Israeli girls and I was number 17. And
17 in Israel?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And here, how is the ranking? You don't know?
Here I don't have ranking because I didn't play tournaments and I don't know how it is here.
And you are not going to play tournaments here?
Maybe I will. I will maybe in a few weeks, but...
Let's see how all is going on, no?
Yeah.